Meaning of holiday camp.
Holiday camp.
Holiday camp.
Holiday camp.
Holiday camp. A holiday camp is a type of vacation accommodation that provides organized entertainment and activities for families and children. Typically located in natural settings such as beaches or forests, these camps offer lodging in cabins, tents, or bungalows. The activities offered range from sports to arts and crafts to talent shows, with staff often leading games and events. Meals are usually provided in communal dining halls, and there may be on-site amenities such as swimming pools or lakes. Holiday camps are popular in many countries and often cater to specific age groups or interests.